My name is İsmail Hakkı Osmançelebioğlu from Konya, Turkey. I'm 23 years old and I'm a lawyer. I'm a member of two national institutions about law in my country because if you want to change something, if you want to be a better person, or if you want to be better in your job, you have to produce something. Let's go to the questions. First question is my motivation for this project. The main motivation for me to applying this project is my thinking about responsibilities of human being against nature, against next generations. Because in this period, in this pandemic period, we saw that we have to change something. We are not growing sustainable ways. And I started to search for a project which I can do something individual. And incidentally, I saw this project and I wanted to apply. I wanted to be a part of this great idea. This is my biggest motivation. And the second question, I think that I am suitable for this project because I feel responsible for the next generations, for the nature, for the future. And this is the biggest thing which makes me suitable for this project. And on the other hand, I think that I'm a good team player. And these projects requires the good team. And if you don't have a good team, you cannot be successful. That's all. And the other question, you wanted two activities from me. I took notes for this question. We can do something in city centers because we have to take attention of the people around us. We cannot do something by ourselves, but we have to grow an awareness about climate changing, about air and sea pollutions. And we can display garbages which is taken from seas, and we can show a short play in a city center about climate change. And other question, I don't leave a project before it finishes because I don't like it. If there is not any systemic problem about my family, about me, I don't quit from projects because this is not a characteristic thing for me. And the last question is my strength and weakness. Let's start from weakness. If there is not a friendly atmosphere of group, I can lose my motivation because I think that I am sincere person and I look for the same from my team members. This is my biggest weakness for this project. And my strength can be, as I said, I'm a good team player. But when it's necessary, I can be a good leader too. This can be biggest strength for me for this project. I hope that there is not empty for the process of my application. I look forward to hear you soon. Have a good day. Goodbye.